Hi guys, this is Christine again from Mitsubishi Abad Santos Manila branch, and for today's video I'll be sharing with you our 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLS Automatic. So i-share ko sa inyo kung ano-ano yung mga nabago sa unit nito, ano yung existing prices and promo and mga exclusive freebies na pwede nyong makuha sa amin dito sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos. So guys, ayan, this is the 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLS. So, yung color na pinapresent ko ngayon sa inyo is the green bronze metallic, and we also have other color options tulad ng graphite gray, red metallic, and quartz white pearl. So, for quartz white pearl guys, additional 15,000 tayo sa SRP, or pwede nyo rin naman siyang bayaran ng separate. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga naging changes with our 2026 Mitsubishi Expander. So, simulan natin guys. Dito sa unahan ng ating unit, as you can see, iba na yung design ng ating front grille and even yung our front bumper or yung ating bumper garnish guys, iba na rin yung design niya. And as you notice guys, meron din tayo ditong camera for the 360 camera or multi-around mirror. So, dito sa side, when it comes to lighting system, we still have here the LED na daytime running light, LED headlight, and isa pa sa nabago sa 2026, we have here the LED fog light na. So, from halogen, naka-LED na siya. So, when it comes naman guys, sa ating engine, same pa din naman, still naka 1.5 siya, na gasoline engine. Then, dito naman tayo sa side. Yan. Sa side ng ating unit guys, as you can see, we still have here the 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels. Pero iba na rin yung design niya compared with our 2025 Mitsubishi Expander. Isa pa sa nabago from chrome, body color na yung ating side mirror, including our door handle. So still na-retain pa rin naman yung natin, keyless operating system. So pasok tayo sa loob. Ayan. So, ito yung loob ng ating unit. Sobrang ganda niya na. So, for almost around 40,000 yung na-increase when it comes to SRP. So, if you are interested, guys, please do message me directly through my social media accounts. So, same pa din. Nandito pa rin yung controls ng ating mga side mirror, and we still have here the Mitsubishi Active Stability Traction Control. And pagdating naman sa ating steering wheel, as you can see, yung steering wheel natin is same na siya with our X-Force. Ayan, same na siya sa ating X-Force. And iba na rin yung kanyang mga controls, pero still nandito pa rin yung controls ng ating multi-information display and multimedia system. Actually guys, yung multi-information display natin, naka-digital na siya, full digital. So, isa yan sa mga nabago sa ating 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLS. Then, dito sa right side, when it comes to steering wheel, we also have here, na-retain pa din naman, yung ating cruise control, voice command function, and hands-free button. Isa pa sa kinaganda ng upgrades when it comes with our Mitsubishi Expander is naka 10-inch siya na multimedia system. So, equip yan ng Apple CarPlay with Android Auto, pero ang isa pa sa nabago is pwede na natin siyang ma-access even wireless. So, yes, hindi na po natin kailangan ng wired for our Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So, isa din yun guys sa magandang nadagdag dito sa ating Mitsubishi Expander. And as I mentioned earlier guys, hindi lang kasi natin ma-start yung unit, pero equipped na siya ng 360 camera. Still, naka-push start engine pa rin naman tayo guys, and same pa din yung mga controls ng ating air conditioning system. We still have here the dalawang ports and 12 volts na power outlet. So, ito, hindi naman siya noticeable, pero isa sa mga nabago is yung design ng ating seat material, pero still naka-fabric pa din siya. When it comes to transmission, same pa din naman po. So, sa mga nagtatanong, hindi pa po CVT yung 2026, still naka 4-speed automatic transmission pa rin tayo. Then, meron pa rin tayong electronic parking brake with brake auto hold, Then, meron pa rin 2 cup holders, may armrest pa din, and may extra storage. Ayan. Ay, nasinok ko. So, ayan yung unit natin, guys. So, kung interested kayo mag-avail ng any Mitsubishi units namin, feel free to message me directly through my social media accounts. Tutulungan ko kayo makapag-avail. So, alam nyo ba na for as low as 9,000 all-in down payment, pwede nyo na pong maiuwi itong ating Mitsubishi Expander GLS Automatic. So, ayan siya. Then, dito naman sa second row, isa sa mga nadagdag or nabago is meron na siyang headrest sa gitna. So, yung previous model, wala siyang headrest. So, sa 2026, meron na siya. So, kung 3 yung passenger mo dito sa second row, mas komportable na siya, lalo na kung may mga long drives kayo. So, ayan. Again, ang color na pinapresent ko sa inyo, guys, is the green bronze metallic. Ayan siya. Tapos, guys, dito sa likod, isa din sa mga nabago is yung rear bumper natin. Iba na rin yung design niya. Mas nagmukha siyang rugged tignan dahil dito sa mga bagong upgrades when it comes with its exterior. Tapos, meron na rin pala siyang active view control, which is only available lang before sa ating Mitsubishi Expander Cross. So, ayan siya, guys, ha. Ayan. Again, ang SRP nga pala nito is 1,259,000. And for as low as 9,000 all-in down payment, pwede nyo na po siyang maiuwi. You all are welcome to apply if you are a locally employed, business owner, or even OFW. Pwedeng-pwede po namin kayo matulungan na Joey makapag-avail ng inyong Mitsubishi unit, hindi lang ng Expander, pwedeng Triton, Montero, X-Force, L300, or Mirage G4. So, pwede nyo kaming i-message directly through our social media accounts, Christine Salazar Olimba, or Joey Boy Palaboy, or Joey RJ Olimba. So, basic requirements lang naman yung kailangan natin with our Mitsubishi units. Kailangan lang natin ng 2 valid IDs and proof of income. So, when we say proof of income, guys, if you are locally employed, kailangan lang natin ng COE or latest 3 months payslip. So, if you are a business owner, kailangan lang natin ng DTI permit and latest 3 months bank statement. And kung kayo naman ay OFW, kailangan lang natin ng contract and latest 3 months proof of remittances. So again, guys, this is Christine Salazar Olimba from Mitsubishi, Abad Santos, Manila branch. If you have any questions or concerns regarding with our Mitsubishi units, feel free to message me directly through our social media accounts. So message na rin po kayo kay Joey Boy Palaboy, and I hope to see you here. Bye!